All right, guys, we're doing a comparison video. If you want to see how this thing works, you can watch some of my other videos. This one, we're just going to be comparing it to most other treadmills. So this treadmill goes up to 6.2 miles per hour. I've never seen that with this kind of price point, basically. Hopefully that gets approved because I'm not technically allowed to talk about that. But based on the number on the product page, you never get an actual running treadmill. This thing's incredible. It's also highly reviewed. Over 1,000 people are buying it every month right now and loving it. So I basically put 3 points together, comparing this to most other treadmills that you can get on Amazon. And just for context, I've reviewed over 50 walking pads and treadmills on Amazon at this point. So I have a pretty good idea on quality and stuff like that. So the first thing I want to say is its space-saving foldable design and it's lightweight. So this thing can actually fold down if you need to, and you can actually be able to slide it under your bed or in a corner or under a couch or something like that. But as you can see, it's incredibly lightweight. I mean, it's crazy, but it also feels super stable when you're running. So that's really nice. Number 2, incline and walking pad flexibility. So this thing goes up to 8% incline. And I think the best part about it is it's manual. You might think that sounds weird, but when you're buying this for at home, you don't want another thing that can break where you got to get some repair guy to come out. You want manual incline. This is very easy to use. We just do that on both sides, and you can either have incline at 8% or have it flat. That's what you want. You do not want automatic. So that's great. Also, you get a better calorie burn. That's my biggest thing with the incline. You just get a better calorie burn, more bang for your buck. And then point number 3, good portability and moderate weight. So it's definitely lightweight, 41.9 pounds. A lot of these treadmills, they can either just be flimsy or they can just be heavy. This thing's like the perfect mix of both. I even like that you have the handles here. I'm just going to prove to you that this can go 6.2 miles per hour because I think you need the evidence. So just come over here and we'll just run it up real quick. I have an injury, so I can't actually run, but we're going to show you. So that's really cool. It's going up to 6.2 right now. What it shows here on the screen is it shows speed, distance, time, and calorie burn. And then you've got different settings here if you want to actually run through preset programs. A lot of people like to do that. This makes it really quick. You can just like have a pre-programmed workout, hit it, run it, get on with your life. This thing's absolutely amazing, dude. In comparing this to most other treadmills, if you are looking for an at-home treadmill that you can actually run on but doesn't take up too much space and has incline, I don't think you're not going to find one at a better price point than this.